In this video, we will learn how to create shortcut in Snapchat. Firstly, open the app. Now, you need to take a snap. Once you took the snap, click on Send to button. On the next screen, you will find the following button, Create Shortcut. If you don't see it, simply tap on the top search bar and this button should pop up. Click on Create Shortcut. On the next screen, you need to choose an emoji for your shortcut. You can choose only one character for your shortcut. Now, you need to select contacts for your shortcut. You can choose as many contacts as you want to, then click Create Shortcut. Now, our shortcut has been created. Simply tap on the shortcut and click Select to select all of your contacts so that you can send your snap to your shortcut all at once. To edit shortcuts, click on Shortcuts. Here you will find all of your previous created shortcuts. Click on any shortcut and here you can edit your shortcut one by one or simply delete the whole shortcut. You can create as many shortcuts as you want to. These are private to you. Make sure to subscribe for more tips like this.